I'm Roman and this is an exceptional video. Most of you might know by now that Russia has attacked, Russia has invaded Ukraine. If you'd like to find out more about what's happening in Ukraine, you may go online and do a quick search.
We will target strategic sectors of the Russian economy.
ロイター通信はウクライナ政府の発表として
A Rússia deu início a uma operação militar contra a Ucrânia.
Sirenas de guerra resuenan en toda la capital de Ucrania.
Kaum hatte der russische Präsident den Einmarsch bekannt gegeben, gab es eine scharfe Reaktion aus Washington.
Les habitants de la capitale ukrainienne se sont réveillés au bruit des sirènes d'alerte aérienne.
One of the most heartbreaking reports I've read says, Ukrainian President Volodymyr declares martial law. He also calls on citizens to fight, says weapons will be issued to everyone who wants them, and claims Ukraine will win. Honestly, when I thought about what I could do in face of this situation, there's not much that I can do. However, I said to myself, I have a voice, and therefore with my voice and with my platform here on YouTube, I will try to spread awareness of what is happening in Ukraine and show my support even though it might not physically do much. Currently, there are some fundraising organizations in Ukraine which you can support. You might go online and do your various checks and research to find the best one. Based on the news reports, some civilians have already died. And at this point in time, I keep Ukraine and its people in my prayers. I truly wish there was much more that I could do, and if at all possible, may Russia stop this madness and leave the Ukrainians be. All in all, this is a very scary issue which might not only affect Ukraine but affect the entire world at large, in my estimation. When it comes to war, only innocent people are truly ever harmed, because those who start the wars, they're sure of their security. Honestly, man doesn't seem to learn from history and learn from the atrocities of war. And it's truly heartbreaking what is happening in Ukraine. I stand here again in support of Ukraine and its welfare and the welfare for people. And in conclusion, I'm Roman and this is an exceptional video.